Long time no see, I guess. Since I made this, I didn't play Roblox for a few, I would say a tiny bit of time. I'm kidding, I YouTube video time. I can't not survive it on Roblox. Now, you're probably wondering, why are we in the Tower of Heck? Well, I have a remote control. That's probably why you clicked this video. So we're going to be playing with remote control. And I never played with remote control before. Okay, so let's set up. And you won't see anything. Wait. Okay, then there's remote control for that. It's so hard. And by the way, it's basically like a keyboard, except remote edition. Okay, this is starting off easy, even though I know this is only the beginning, and I know that you can just climb there, but I don't. You know what? I'm just going to. I wish I could show you how this will work. Huh? I'm having thoughts of buying this. I'm gonna make people have a hard time. Oh yes! It's beautiful! It is beautiful! I see everybody dying! Oh, this is so funny. Fine, I'll turn it on. Wait, no. No, how do you turn it off? No! No. No. This is mission. This is no. How do I turn it off? No, don't go first person. This is annoying, I'm leaving. Hopefully, it's only one game and not forever. Because if yes, I have completely broken Tower of Heck for everyone. That was funny though. Yep, it's not. I just spent 10 Robux for nothing. help at least the creators of. I still have no amount. I still have it. Oh, come on. Now, here's the thing. I have no idea what I clicked. So I'm just going to. You may be saying you're just rage quitting. You're just taking an excuse. Oh no! I saw an upcoming obstacle. I can't even jump. So how is this going to be possible? Stop making sure. No! You're probably laughing so hard. Because I'm used to doing on a keyboard. And you may say, but Nick, that is a keyboard. Well, I mean that on a computer. It's on a computer. I mean attached to it. Yes, yes. No, 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 no! Oh, what can I buy? Dynamite. I'm gonna make it a tiny bit harder for everyone. I spent 50 Robux on this game. So we have low gravity now. This is not low gravity, dude. My time. Yes, like I said, you're probably just laughing your lungs out while you see me die. I am not going to the Pro Towers. Because I can't even do a simple jump. Fine, I'll go to the Pro Towers. That's a waste of 50 Robux. Because let's not even look. No! No! Hey, check, that's a noob tower. I can't even beat it. Oh, whatever. I'm not gonna clickbait. So I'm not gonna change back. Wait, look how good. I'm gonna use a mouse Wow, it's wait, like, look how much better I am. Oh, come on, I'm bad at these. Look, and you saw me, I can't even do the second jump. So I'm bad at obbies either way. So, last round. Not one of these, no. No! Could I just... Yes. Yes! Finally! Yes! I did it! Look! I did it! Don't fall! This is easy. This is easy. See? I'm getting better already. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe if you're new, and ring that notification bell, and I'm gonna go scream. I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna go scream. I'm just gonna cry my misery. I'm just kidding. Like the video if you liked the video. Subscribe if you're new. Ring the notification bell if you did not. Because I know some of you are not notifications. Because like, man, he posted too much videos. So, yeah. So more videos are coming. Don't worry. I'm not gonna take any more bricks that I know of. So, alright.